Hello, this is CS50 Web Programming Python and JavaScript Project 2-Commerce. For the first part, the models, as you can see, I create several models over here. The first one is the user model, which is basically to store the information of the user. The second one is the category to store all the categories for each item. And this is the item section where it will store every single information related to the item, such as image, date, title, description, category, and also the rest. And it also has the price module where it will store the price at each item of that person that's what bidding on. Also the same thing with the comment. It will store the comment and item that whatever was comment on, and also the use that comment. And the last part is the watch list, which also has the information of the user and also the item. Okay, now let's say if I do want to create a new list, I can go to this page, the create list. Okay, let's say I want to create an action for laptop. I'm gonna find laptop. Let's say initial price gonna be like $10. This is a laptop, and I can also specify the category. It's depending on what you want. Let's say electronics, and also add some image URL over here, and click submit. And as you can see, this is the new item is going to be added over here. I also added another submit form if you want to add a new category. Let's say I want the, let's say toy. If you click submit, you can see this toy is going to be our new category. Now for the second part, the active listing page, as you can see, this is the current item that was currently in my auction list. And if you look at the item, it's gonna display some useful information. And if you click in here, you can see more detail. Now for the listing page part, now as you can see, I already signed in here. And if I sign in, I'm supposed to be able to add this item into my watch list. Let's say, okay, I click here. Now this item was already added to the watch list. And if I click here, yeah, as you can see, it's already in my watch list. And okay, let's go back here. I can also remove it from the watch list if I also wanted to. As you can see, there's no item here. And I can, if you lock it, you can also bid, but keep in mind the bid has to be more than the current bid that's having. Let's say if I bid like $1 and I place a bid, now it's gonna say your bid is too low. So I have to, let's say 20. And as you can see, now the bid is updated and now I have the highest bid. Now, if that user, which okay, you can see I changed to admin as a user. Okay, if that user happens to be the one that's create the list, if I was satisfied with the price, I can close the auction. And then if you look at the closed listing, the GitHub is now in the closed auction listing. Now, if I log in again as other user, I'm gonna check on the code listing and check on the latest item that was updated. I mean, the list was closed. As you can see here, I was the winner. Now for the category part, okay, I had to add another one to demonstrate it. So right now, category is done. But let's say I only want to see a car. Now it's gonna show the only item that has a car category. If I want to show electric item with the electronic category, now it's gonna show only the electronic category. Now for the final part, this is the Django admin. Let's say, okay, look at the guy gonna go to the item. I can actually add an item over here. If I don't want, I can also delete the item at the same time. Okay, let's say if I go like this, delete second item, go, delete yes. And I can also edit some of the data right here. And that's all for my demonstration. Thank you.